In an age where technological advancements are rapidly reshaping our world, cryptocurrency stands out as a beacon of potential and innovation. It represents more than just a new form of currency. It is a revolutionary shift in how we perceive and interact with financial systems. Imagine a world where transactions are completed instantly, without the need for banks or governmental oversight, and where privacy and security are not just options but standards. This is the promise of cryptocurrencies, and it's a vision that is gradually becoming a reality. In this essay, we will delve into the intricate world of cryptocurrency, exploring its origins, how it functions, and the impact it aims to imprint on our future. It represents more than just a new form of currency. It is a revolutionary shift in how we perceive and interact with financial systems. Imagine a world where transactions are completed instantly, without the need for banks or governmental oversight, and where privacy and security are not just options, but standards. This is the promise of cryptocurrencies, and it's a vision that is gradually becoming a reality. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a distributed ledger technology that records transactions across many computers so that the involved record cannot be altered retroactively, without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. This decentralization is crucial, not just for security but also for the freedom it offers from central authoritative control. Cryptocurrency transactions occur directly between peers, bypassing traditional intermediaries like banks. These transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public ledger called a blockchain. Miners play a crucial role here, solving cryptographic challenges to add transactions to the blockchain, earning cryptocurrencies in return for their work. Cryptocurrencies offer significant advantages over traditional banking, including lower transaction fees and faster processing times. They also provide enhanced security features such as cryptographic encryption and the benefit of user anonymity, or at least pseudonymity, which is a significant draw for privacy-conscious individuals. Despite their advantages, cryptocurrencies face several challenges. The most notable is volatility, with prices capable of dramatic increases or decreases within short periods. Regulatory uncertainty also poses a significant barrier, as governments and financial institutions try to understand and control their impact. Mining is at the heart of cryptocurrency. It involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems, which validates transactions and secures the network. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency, a process that not only facilitates the operation of the blockchain but also creates new coins. Security is paramount in cryptocurrency. It's upheld through advanced cryptography that makes it incredibly challenging to counterfeit or double spend. However, the ecosystem is not impervious to attacks, and users must be vigilant, safeguarding their private keys and using secure wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool that allows users to store and manage their blockchain assets. Wallets can be hot, connected to the internet, or cold, offline storage options like hardware wallets, each providing different levels of security and accessibility. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrency is complex and varies widely by country. Some nations embrace it while others have banned it outright. The future of cryptocurrency regulation will play a crucial role in its adoption and stability. Privacy is a hallmark of certain cryptocurrencies, offering users the ability to conduct transactions without revealing their identity. Privacy coins like Monero and Zcash provide advanced features that obscure the details of transactions, addressing privacy concerns but also raising regulatory eyebrows. The future of cryptocurrencies looks promising but is shrouded with uncertainty. Technological advancements and increasing adoption suggest that they could play a significant role in future financial systems. However, they must overcome substantial regulatory and technical challenges. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be rewarding but comes with high risk. Potential investors should educate themselves thoroughly, understand the volatility, and invest wisely, potentially using a diversified investment approach to mitigate risks. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to significantly impact global economies, especially in developing countries where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking. They offer a means to increase financial inclusivity, though they also present challenges that need to be navigated carefully. As we conclude, it's clear that cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology that powers them are not just fleeting trends. They are part of a broader shift towards a more decentralized and transparent financial system. The journey of cryptocurrencies is still in its early stages, and their full potential remains to be seen.